frisbee. Whoa! I caught it.
Whoa! I fell down.
This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name.
Hey everyone, it's Hannah, and today I'm going to teach you how to play a proper game of frisbee. To help me demonstrate, I have my lovely assistant Christopher. We're going to go step by step and we're going to teach you the proper means for playing frisbee. First, we're going to start with clothing. Clothing is very important. You must wear blue on top. Christopher and I demonstrate this well. And you must wear shorts. Christopher, I have to say, your shorts are not very short. Are you sure you're going to be able to play a good game of frisbee?
It may affect my overall movement.
I'm gonna win! Now we have to properly relax our face muscles in order to have the proper emotions while we play frisbee.
Big black bugs bleed blue blood.
Big black bugs bleed blue blood.
Big black blood.
Oh no!
You have to stand, relax, shoulder width apart in the legs, and just gradually inhale. Lift the arms, gives you more space in your diaphragm. And then exhale, bringing the arms down. Feel the wind in your face since you're on a beach. I know.
I'll loosen up our bodies in order to improve our frisbee game. We'll practice some throwing. Christopher, that's beautiful form. Now we are ready to demonstrate our world famous frisbee throw. Are you ready, Christopher?
I'm ready.
Here we go!
This is not good at ultimate frisbee.
Thank you! Thank you!